Happy Tuesday, boys and girls. How's everyone going? So I wanted to talk today about your next phonics assignment, which will be your sight words. And what I want you to do today is I would like you to practice rainbow writing your sight words this week. So in my class, what we usually do is we have it as a center. Remember, boys and girls, you usually do it with stencils or with blocks or things like that. So what you're actually going to do today is you're going to be rainbow writing them. So remember, I just wanted to come on here and show you what rainbow writing is, and I also want you to be creative with your rainbow writing. This is all going to be in your phonics notebook, your word work notebook that I check your sentences in. Please make sure that you put today's date, March 24th, 2020, and also please put rainbow writing on the top. So here's a great example of what I should say. You should have the date, and then on top of it, please also put what you are doing, which is rainbow writing. So when I check your work, I know you did your assignment. So it looks like this. So you're taking this week's sight words: line, right, to, means, old, any, and same. And what I want you to do, boys and girls, is I'd like you to practice rainbow writing them, but also making sure you say the letters out loud. And again, we can get creative with this. You can use crayons, you can use markers, colored pencils, whatever you have at home, as long as mom and dad say it's fine. I'm going to be using some highlighters here, boys and girls. I have a smelly marker, I have some pens, I have some Sharpie markers here too. So Miss Louise is also getting a little creative today. So the first word I'm going to be doing as an example this week is line. When I write the word line, I am writing each sight word 3 times. And again, I'm saying the letters out loud. You're going to be doing the same today, boys and girls. So I'm going to say the letters L-I-N-E. See how Miss Laspiza wrote it here? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a different marker or a different color and say the letters again. L-I-N-E. Then I'm going to take a third color and write it one more time on top. L-I-N-E, which spells the word line. That's rainbow writing. So that's one way you can do today's sight words. Another way you can do it is you can also doodle write them too and say the letters out loud. L, then I'm going to take another color. I, different color, N, and then say them again, E. See how Miss Laspiza did that? Another way you can do it is you can do block letters too. Same thing, L, I, N, last letter, E. So here I have the word line, and I have 3 different ways: rainbow writing, doodle letters, and block letters. Another way you can do it is you can do dots and lines, like connecting the dots, boys and girls. That's something I also like to do. So I'm going to move on to the next sight word, which is the word right. Not like the writing that we do, like you have a left and a right. So I'm going to say R, and then I'm going to connect the dots here. I, G, then you're going to do the same thing too, boys and girls. Again, you can be very creative with this. You can do it with dots, bubble letters. You can even, if you want, cut newspaper and find the letters and glue them into your book. If you have stencils at home, you can do that too. Be very creative with these, but making sure you write each sight word 3 times and say the letters out loud. H, T. See? R-I-G-H-T. So today, again, you are going to write this week's sight words: line, right, to, means any, old, and seen. And you're going to write each word 3 times. And you can be creative. You can do just rainbow writing. You could do doodle letters. Again, you could do block letters, dot letters. Be creative. But I would like to see basically this here, boys and girls, each word 3 different times. I hope this helps you as a demonstration. If you have any questions, please reach out. Have a great Tuesday. Bye.